All right, we're back at the DevOps Talks conference, and Alena, you just gave a talk.
Yeah, I did.
How was it?
I guess it was fine.
Yes,
so it's not to me, up to me to judge.
I've gotten a lot of really good feedback so far from some of the attendees. In fact, I was just speaking to someone who said that your talk was one of their favorites.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. It was really interesting for them to see how much Rancher has changed over the years. It's been a while since they'd looked at it.
Yeah, so our 2.0 version is quite different from our original version 1.x.
Yes, for sure. So tell me, how are you finding the DevOps Talks conference?
I love it, and what I love the most is that it's a different region and it's a different use cases, and I've met a lot of new people, and I've learned about the best practices here at their orgs.
Yes.
There are some differences, some similarities, and I cannot wait to get back and actually look at them closer.
Right. And so you're over from the States, is that correct?
Yeah, I do reside in California.
Okay, great. Yeah, and it's so good. I'm also from the States, of course. It's so good to get out into the world and to meet others in our community. This truly is a global community.
Yeah.
Like you said, seeing and hearing the practices that are the same and that are different and unique. It's fun.
Exactly.
Yeah. What's your biggest takeaway from the conference?
My biggest takeaway is, I'm just thinking.
It's okay.
Sorry. Always try to understand the other practices. If you're doing things a certain way, it does not mean that that's the best way, because the practices can depend on the use case. And if you think that something might be not up to date or the different technology that is used, don't judge. First try to understand why it was chosen. And sometimes it takes time to actually move to another technology. Sometimes it does not even make sense to move to the technology based on the use case. Just because it's hot and great, if something works for you, that's fine.
Yeah, That's great. All right, well, thank you so much for speaking with us today, and enjoy the rest of the DevOps
And thank you
Talks
for having
conference.
me. Yeah,
Absolutely.
I will.
Okay.